So recently on my For You page on TikTok, I have been seeing so many of these videos on how to become a quote-unquote that girl. And honestly, every time I see them, I can't not watch it. They're just so motivating to watch, and I feel so productive watching them. I feel like I need to be productive, I need to get my things done, and honestly, it just makes me feel good. Obviously, on the other hand, for someone who's more realistic, this is not what it looks like every single morning. A nice bedroom, a nice apartment, green smoothies every morning, workout every morning. Like, I don't think that is realistic for most people. So I understand where the issue lies when it comes to this trend. As for me, I honestly don't work out every single morning. I don't drink a green smoothie every morning. I feel like another problem with this trend is the fact that these girls on these Pinterest pictures or the TikTok videos, a lot of girls don't look like this. We all come in different shapes and sizes. I feel like we should also remember that becoming that girl does not mean you have to look a certain way, you have to be a certain way. Personally, I feel like it's romanticizing your lifestyle, romanticizing your life, becoming that main character. So I'm drinking my lemon water. Honestly, I don't even like lemon in my water, so... Okay, it's not bad. It's actually kind of refreshing. While I drink this, I'm gonna read for like 5 to 10 minutes. Right now I'm reading The Subtle Art of Not Giving Up. My boyfriend lent it to me, so I'm just gonna read for a little bit before I start doing things. I just changed. I'm all ready to work out. I just finished with my workout. Today I did arms and that killed me. I'm surprised I'm not even sweating that much. I think that's good, so I'm actually okay with that. Before I get ready, we're gonna make that green smoothie that every that girl makes. I feel like I don't have the ingredients to make the perfect green smoothie, but we can try. We can try. Pretty good. I added some vanilla protein, as you guys saw, just so I get that protein. I don't think I'm gonna shower like my body. I'm probably gonna do that later. I just didn't sweat that much for this workout, so I feel like I should be okay. I just need to do my skincare, so let's go do that. Now it's time to eat. I'm super hungry, like it's not even funny. I always make an avocado toast with egg on top. It's so good. breakfast. I'm going to plan my day now. I feel like I always tend to do this when it comes to like wanting to be productive and stuff, or being that girl. So I have my notebook here. You guys know what my notebook looks like. I need to plan out videos and stuff because I just need to get them done as soon as possible. I can't be slacking it, even though I have been slacking it a little bit. So I'm just gonna plan out my day and then we'll go on from there. So yeah, I'm gonna plan out my day, do a little bit of work on my computer. So that is my experience with becoming a that girl. It's very unrealistic sometimes because I know people have stuff to do in the morning. I have stuff to do in the morning and it doesn't involve all of that, you know? Sometimes I don't even work out in the morning. I work out like at night or even like during the afternoon. I think the whole that girl trend is super motivating for me. Let me know if it's motivating for you guys in the comments down below. I know some people think it's very unrealistic or it just kind of makes them feel down. Honestly, I guess it just depends on the person, but for me personally, I think it really motivates me to get things done, and hoping that my morning routine would look like that in some way. So let me know your guys' thoughts. But honestly, this was just for fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!